With your grind size set, it's time to load the portafilter. First, choose your basket. Drop the chosen basket into the portafilter. It seals firmly into place. Now attach the dosing funnel onto the basket. This is the cylindrical collar that sits on top and extends the walls upward. It keeps the grounds contained as they fall in. Without it, grounds scatter, and you lose your dose before you even get to tamping. With the basket and funnel in place, insert the portafilter into the portafilter bracket on the front of the machine. This positions it directly beneath the grinder outlet, so everything that comes out of the grinder falls straight down into the basket. The Marenza gives you two ways to grind from here: automatic and manual. We'll start with automatic. Automatic mode is built for consistency. If you prefer a fixed dose every time, this is the simpler path. You set a grind time, and the machine stops on its own when it's reached. Same amount every shot. No guesswork. Press the grind time button to select your mode, single or double. The defaults are 10 seconds for a single shot and 14 seconds for a double. If you want to adjust the time, do it now. Turn the brew dial when the time is still flashing on the LED. You have about 5 seconds to make that change before the machine locks it in. Press the Start/Stop button. The grinder counts down, and you'll hear the burrs working through the beans. When the timer reaches 0, the grinder stops, and your portafilter is loaded. Now, don't be alarmed if the basket looks slightly overfilled. That's completely normal. You'll level it out in the next step. For those who want more control over their dose, manual mode lets you run the grinder continuously and stop it yourself. Select Manual on the grind time button and press the Start/Stop button to begin. Press the Start/Stop button again when you're satisfied with the amount. It takes a little practice to find your rhythm, but once you do, it gives you precise control over every dose.